You want to learn how to make Jamaican carrot cake? Well, this is a step-by-step video for you. Watch until the end. Look at this. We're going to start with the dry ingredients first. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon nutmeg powder. Now I'm going to whisk it and set it aside. Now for the wet ingredients, 1 cup brown sugar, half cup granulated sugar, 1 cup vegetable oil. I'm going to use 4 eggs. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon lime zest, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix together. Now I'm going to add 2 cups grated carrot, half cup crushed pineapple, 1/3 cup raisins. Now I'm going to fold them together. Now add the dry ingredients to the wet. Liquor by liquor. You don't want to mix too much now. Just take your time and fold it. This is the pan I'm going to use. I'm going to grease it with butter. So I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to put the carrot cake inside for 50 minutes. Okay, it is already 50 minutes since the cake in the oven. I'm going to take it out now. Got this. Now I'm going to make the toppings. 1 cup cream cheese, 1 stick butter, 2 cups powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix them all together. So here I have it, Jamaican carrot cake. Now I'm going to cut a slice. Look at this. Go for the bite. This is so good.